Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. So, at the present moment, our senses are contaminated. I am thinking I am American. So my senses should be utilized for the service of my country, my society, my nation, big leaders, big, so many things. The real concept is that I am American. So my senses are American senses. So it must be utilized for America. Similarly, Indians are thinking, others are thinking, but none of them do know it, that senses belong to Krishna. This is ignorance, no intelligence. They are thinking for the time being that these senses, upadhi, designate American senses, Indian senses, African senses. No, this is called Maya. It is covered. Therefore, bhakti means sarvapadhi vinirmuktam. When your senses will be uncontaminated with all these diseases, that is the beginning of bhakti. If I think I am American, why shall I take Krishna consciousness? It is Hindu God. But that is foolishness. If I think I am Mohammedan, I am Christian, then you are gone. But if we purify the senses, that I am spirit soul, the supreme spirit soul is Krishna, I am part and parcel of Krishna, therefore it is my duty to serve Krishna, then you become free immediately. Immediately. You are no more American, Indian or African or this or that. You are Krishnite, Krishna conscious. That is what. Therefore, Kunti Devi says, Rishikesha, my dear Krishna, you are the master of the senses. And for the sense gratification, we are fallen in this material condition of life, different varieties of life. So, we are suffering. In the suffering to the extreme, even one becomes Krishna's mother, because this is material birth, she is also put into suffering. But to speak of others, Devaki is so advanced that she has become the mother of Krishna. But still, he is put into difficulties. And difficulties by whom? By his brother, Kamsa. So this world is like that. Try to understand. Even you become Krishna's mother, and even your brother, who is very nearest relative, so the world is such, jealous, that if one's personal interest is hampered, everyone will be ready to give you trouble. This is the word. Everyone, even if his brother, even his father, what to speak of others? Khalena. Khala means jealous. This material world is jealous, envious. I am envious of you, you are envious of me. This is our business. This is our business. Therefore, this Krishna consciousness movement is for such person who is no more jealous, who is no more envious. Perfect person. Dharma projita koitavayatra parama nirma saranang satang vastava vastu vedama. Those who are jealous and envious, they are within this material world. And those who are not jealous, they are in the spiritual world. Just a simple thing. You test yourself. Whether I am jealous, envious of my other associates, friends, everything, then I am in the material world. And if I am not jealous, then I am in the spiritual world. Anyone can test. There is no question of whether I am spiritually advanced or not. You can test yourself. Bhakti parishano bhava virakti annatra syat. Just like if you are eating, you will understand whether you are satisfied, whether your hunger is satisfied. You haven't got to take certificate from others. Similarly, if you test yourself, whether you are jealous, whether you are envious, then you are in the material world. And if you are not jealous, if you are not envious, then in the spiritual world. Then you can serve Krishna very nicely. If you are not jealous, because our jealous envious has began from Krishna, just like the Mahabharata. Why Krishna shall be God? I am also God. I am also. Hare Krishna